Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a vegetarian pizza. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First we're gonna see how to make the tomato sauce. Let's see the ingredients. 4 red tomatoes, some olive oil, 1 spoon of tomato paste, small spoon of garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, salt, and sugar. These are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare the tomato sauce. First, cut the tomato in pieces, put it on the blender, add over it half cup of cold water, then blend it. After that, in a pot over medium-high heat, put the tomato in it and leave it cooking until it starts a little bit thick. Then add over it the tomato paste, stir it for around 2 minutes, then add the olive oil and our spices. Stir all together until the sauce became thicker and suitable for the pizza. Then take it down and leave it aside, cooling down. Now let's see the ingredients of our dough. I have here 1.5 cups of white flour, some olive oil, 1 big spoon of sugar, 1 small spoon of yeast, and small spoon of salt. And for the topping, we gonna use a mozzarella cheese, some Parmesan cheese, some bell pepper and onions, and some olives. You can add more topping if you like the mushroom, the tomato, or a yellow corn. Now let's prepare the pizza dough. In a small bowl, put half cup of warm water, add over it the sugar, mix it together, then add the yeast. Stir all together, then cover it and leave it for around 10 minutes. And this is our yeast after 10 minutes. Now, in a bowl, put the white flour, add over it a little bit of salt and a little bit of sugar, mix it together, then add over it the olive oil, the yeast, and mix all together with a spoon for a little bit, then knead it with your hands. During kneading, if you see that the dough need more water or flour, you can add it. Depend how you see it. Knead the flour for around 7 minutes until it's became cohesive and soft dough. like you see in the video. Put in the bottom of the bowl some olive oil. Cover the dough with it. Then cover the bowl and leave it ferment for around 1 hour. After 1 hour, uncover it and knead it again with your hands to take out all the air from it. Divide the dough in 2 pieces, and now let's shape our pizza. Over the surface where you want to shape it, add a little bit of flour. Open the pizza with your fingers like you see in the video. Then use the wooden tool. After you finish, shape the size of it like you see in the video. Then in the middle of the dough, add the tomato sauce. Spread it over the pizza. Then add over it the shredded mozzarella cheese, the olives, the bell peppers, the onions, and finally spread over it the shredded Parmesan cheese. Put it in the oven with 200 degrees of temperature and leave it cooking for around 15 minutes or so. Finally, this is our pizza. Cut it as you like, and that's it. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.